Music. Canva AI revolutionizing design? Let's find out. This intuitive tool empowers creatives and businesses to create stunning content effortlessly. Links to Canva AI and related resources are below. Let's dive in. Canva AI uses artificial intelligence to simplify professional-grade visual creation. Perfect for designers, marketers, small business owners, and content creators seeking speed and quality. Create social media posts, presentations, banners, or ads with ease and efficiency. Canva AI's smart templates analyze your brand, fonts, and content to generate perfectly aligned designs. Customization is seamless, ensuring brand consistency. Dynamic resizing automatically adjusts your designs for various platforms, saving you hours. The drag-and-drop editor makes design accessible to everyone, even beginners. Create stunning visuals in minutes. Real-time collaboration streamlines teamwork, whether remote or in office. Built-in analytics help marketers optimize campaigns by tracking design performance. Solopreneurs, teams managing multiple projects, startups, and medium-sized businesses will all benefit from Canva AI. Eliminate the need for extensive design skills or costly professionals. Canva AI offers a user-friendly interface, intelligent features, and incredible versatility. Streamline your design process without compromising quality. Try Canva AI using the links below. Let us know your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.